Even with regular cleaning, controlling bacteria in a cooler or lunch bag can be challenging. Microbes and bacteria from food preparation, storage, and frequent contact can easily spread throughout. Without intervention, bacteria can double in number every 20 minutes. One single bacteria cell can become more than 8 million cells in less than 24 hours. Built-in antimicrobial product protection inhibits the growth of stain and odor-causing bacteria. It doesn't wipe off or wear away, it lasts for the lifetime of the product, and it makes these products easier to clean. Here's how it works. When bacteria comes into contact with the liner, Microban protection activates, penetrating the cell wall and disrupting metabolic processes by preventing the bacteria from converting nutrients into energy. This inhibits the bacteria's ability to survive, reproduce, and colonize, and stops them from producing the odors and stains that can degrade your cooler or lunch bag. Microban is tough on bacteria, and it's registered with the EPA and certified globally, specifically for food contact surfaces. When you purchase our product with Microban, you'll have the peace of mind your product is being protected, even when you can't see it.